Hi students, today I solve a variation chapter problem which is if x variation y and y variation z, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square variation xy plus yz plus zx. Let's solve the problem. Given that x square plus y square plus z square variation xy plus yz plus zx, we try to prove x square plus y square plus z square over xy plus yz plus zx variation 1, and given x variation y and y variation z. If we remove variation sign, then we add a constant term. Now we write x equal to ky, where k not equal to 0 and k is a constant. Y variation z, so y equal to, we let constant equal to k1, so k1 z, k1 not equal to 0 and k1 is a constant. So left hand side equal to x square plus y square plus z square over xy plus yz plus zx equal to, we put the value of x, so here x means ky, so ky whole square plus y means k1z, so k1z whole square plus z square over x means ky, so ky times y plus y times z plus z times x means ky, so equal to ky whole square means k square y square plus k1 square z square plus z square over k y square plus y times z plus z times yk equal to k square, we put the value of y, so k square times y means k1 z, so k1 z whole square plus k1 square times z square plus z square over k times y means k1 z, so k1 z whole square plus k1 z times z plus z times k times k1 z equal to k square times k1 square z square plus k1 square z square plus z square over k times k1 square z square plus k1 times z square plus k times k1 times z square. Now we take common z square, so k square times k1 square plus k1 square plus 1 over, now we take common z square, so k times k1 square plus k1 plus k times k1 z square cancelled. So this term is a constant part. We let this term equal to a. So let k square times k1 square plus k1 square plus 1 by k times k1 square plus k1 plus k times k1 equal to a. A is a constant since these two terms are constant. So x square plus y square plus z square over xy plus yz plus zx equal to constant. So x square plus y square plus z square over xy plus yz plus zx z square variation 1. So now we write x square plus y square plus z square variation xy plus yz plus z square. So proved. Thank you student watching my video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Get more video, comment please, and please share this video.